Before you begin, remove the access panel, optical drive, rotate up or remove the storage drive tray, and front bezel. Removal. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade performance. Disconnect the antenna cable from the wireless LAN module with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Unroute the cable from the cable guides. Peel back the tape, securing the cable to the chassis wall. Guide the cable through the hole in the front of the chassis. Carefully pull the adhesive-backed antenna away from the chassis and remove. Replacement. Slide the tab on the antenna into the cutout and rotate it against the chassis. Press firmly to secure the adhesive-backed antenna onto the chassis. Guide the antenna cable through the hole in the front of the chassis. Replace the tape, securing the antennas to the front inside chassis wall. Route the cable into the cable guides. Reconnect the antenna cable to the connector on the wireless LAN module. Caution: use care when connecting the wireless LAN antenna cables to the wireless LAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade performance.